I just wonder what's going through their own minds. What's going on? Now you got to act up so 20 years from now they'll see, wasn't she cute at 8 months old?
Hi, Peanut. How you doing tonight?
Yes.
Where's Dad? Wave to Dad. Wave to Dad. Say hi, Dad.
Can we wave, Claire?
You can wave. Hi, Claire. Hi, Claire. Say, Dad, in a few days I'm going to be 8 months old.
Yes.
Yeah. And I'm playing with my activity center here. And my pop-up pal. And my pop-up pal. And my play school stuff.
Good thing this video recorder doesn't pick up smells.
Yeah, right.
And my sister Abby just got sprayed by a skunk. Tell the camera. Oh, yeah.
Is that a silly kid right there?
Yeah. It's teething, so I've got my hands in my mouth. Should we show? How big is Claire? So big. How big is Claire? So big. Hi, Dad. Wait, can you wave to Daddy?
Hi, Claire.
You can wave. Okay, you can sit down now. Wave to Dad. Oh, no, going back for my activity center. And I'm talking.
You say Mama.
Ba, 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 ba.
Mama.
I don't know. Mama.
Mama.
I'm sitting up like a big girl. Alright, I think that's long enough. I want to get...
Okay.